Well, folks, I'm at it once again. I just put an e8200 dual core processor, Intel, with this Ballistix 4GB of RAM. This Boister motherboard, a G41 chipset. Yeah, I use my bed as a workstation on my boogie board. And I threw it into this box that I picked up in a flea market for like 10 bucks. The box cost like 60 bucks. It's a heavy duty box. I put that fan in there because I really don't need that. This run a 45 nanometer. They don't run that hot. It's good for Pentiums. Pentiums are good. They just run hot. You don't have to know how to keep them cool. The dual core Pentiums are good. They're very good chips. Just have to keep them cool. That's all. That's why people have problems with the Pentiums. They don't know how to cool them. So I put a 400 gig hard drive. I put a 450 Biotech power supply. I put that huge fan, which I'm going to give to my son for his PlayStation or for his play computer. I put a video card, regular video card, mid-range, about 60 bucks I paid for it. 400 gig hard drive. The onboard video is great for this, but I have my own, and it has a nice sound and everything. I'm just using this for now. I'm gonna upgrade to a better motherboard. This is gonna be my my cinema computer. I'm gonna add a Blu-ray burner to it. I'm gonna upgrade to a more advanced chip, like an i5 650, something like that, running on 3 point something megs. I could overclock it up to 3.4. That's good. I'm satisfied with that. Well, folks, I will be at it again. It's what I do. I experiment. I'm experimenting with Windows 7, Windows XP, Windows Vista. Windows XP is not too hot because the video is no good on it. Unless you have a 64-bit and you add a lot of RAM. Windows XP runs on low RAM. So there's no need to add a lot of RAM to Windows XP. Unless you're running heavy-duty applications. And even then, you better run it on a 64-bit. Windows XP, the bottom line, it sucks. Well, folks, I'm going to set this up on my TV, on my new 40-inch TV, and use this as a theater. Download cracker movies and all that. And that's basically it. The motherboard is not bad. I mean, the computer is it's like on a 6.2 on a Windows 7 review. On your it reviews your computer components and gives you a rating. So it's at about 6 points. That's not bad. My processor's kicking 6.2. The RAMs are kicking 6.2. So not bad. Okay, folks, I keep you tuned in.